Do you think we can get across this waterfall?
Of course we can.
Do you think so?
Of course we can.
Right, come on, let's go for it. Here, give us your hand. Give me all your hand first. Right, you do. Wow, this is it. Oh, remember, we don't have to lift our feet, though, do we? We have to shimmy. Wait, not too fast. Right, get ready, because we're going. Ez, how about this?
Good.
Yeah? Right, we shimmy. Look at this way, little one. Is it good?
It's pulling.
Wow, look at this waterfall. They're pulling up. Little one. SB, thumbs up. Look this way. Look at this way. Good girl. Right, wait, we get over here. Right, we step onto that bit. Step onto that bit. And then up onto that bit.
Can I do this at your hand?
Oh, no.
Let's
Hands
try
up.
again.
What was that? Epic.
Let's try again.
Come on then, one more. And then we'll go the other way. Let's go. You go on this side. You go on the other side. No, you don't go on that side. Right, give us your hand. Right there. Give us your hand. Good job. Let's go. Right, we've got epic waterfall river crossing. Thumbs up, Ez.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Shimmy, we don't lift low. We don't want to get dragged down there, do we?
I'm lifted.
Hey?
I'm lifted.
Yes, go on then. SB, turn round. Hey, we'll have a look down there. Wow. Let's go. Wait, don't you go too fast. Right, you get in the... Right, jump up. Right, wait there, mate. Jump up there. Jump up onto there, please.